Hi again. We said earlier that when a line AB is intersected by another line CD, this point is called the point of intersection. The most important thing I want you to remember is at this point of intersection there are created angles. So I have angle BXD, BXD angle, or we have angle DXA, DXA angle, or angle AXC, AXC, and finally this angle here, CXD. We are going to discuss how we measure these angles and the types of angles we have. As you see here, we have different measurements and we have different shapes. So we need to discuss all these one by one. The smallest kind of angle we have, it's the one that's called acute angle. An acute angle is the one that starts from 0 up to 90 degrees. For example, this line here, it is 0 degrees, but as we increase, now it is 10 degrees and 20 and slowly 30 and 40 and up to this point 90 degrees, or to be precise 89 degrees. It is called a bit further there. It is called acute angle. When the angle is at 90 degrees exactly, it is called the right angle. Right angle is the name that has been used for centuries. And now, if we go further and above 90 degrees, 100, 105 or 110, as you see with the protractor, we measure angles, and up to 179 degrees, this is called an obtuse angle. When we are in a straight line at 180 degrees, we call this line straight angle as well. So let's see again the current angle of 40 degrees. It is an acute angle. And now this angle up to 90 degrees, it is a right angle. And if I open it more, I'm going above and beyond the 90 degrees, and this angle is called now obtuse. But it doesn't stop there, it can continue up to almost 179, because my next step is the straight angle that goes and stops at 180 degrees. Here it is. Nevertheless, if the angle continues down here, it's called reflex angle. And we can have even further an angle that goes beyond this reflex point, back where it started, and continues up to here, it's reflex. And then we have the revolution angle, which is a whole 360 degrees. Obtuse, obtuse, straight, and reflex. Reflex angle, reflex angle, reflex angle, keeps being reflex angle, and now there this is the 360 degrees. If you remember, when we started the 0 degrees, we said that this angle is 0 degrees. And of course, this angle here is 0 and at the same time 360 degrees. This here straight is 0 degrees, but all this is 360. Again, this is 0 degrees, but all this is 360.